This video will demonstrate a grant time and effort reporting eForm. The grant time and effort report form is used to report and certify effort billed to grant funding accounts for compliance purposes. In a custom process, reports are created in batch for all employees with grant pay. The forms are routed through several certifying authorities, including the employee. Then those certifications can be tracked in PeopleSoft. The grant time and effort report starts with a batch processor. Select a reporting period and run the processor. A time and effort report is created for each employee with any pay associated with a grant account within the reporting period. Each form is saved and a notification is generated to the employee's department business manager. Grant reports can be reached using a fluid tile, which leads to a fluid navigation collection. Business managers update each grant time and effort report to review the proportion of grant pay to other university pay. The top section displays department and reporting period information. The sponsored accounts and university accounts sections display a grid which aggregates all the pay earned within the reporting period for each combo code. Combo codes with grant project IDs are filtered into the sponsored accounts grid. All other combo codes are filtered into the university accounts grid. Each row shows the amount of pay earned for that combo code and the percent of the total pay earned within that reporting period. Use the Details button to open a modal window which shows detailed pay information for each combo code, including earnings per pay period and check date. This information can help the business manager determine if any retroactive adjustments to pay should be made prior to certifying this report. Review pay for sponsored accounts and university accounts as needed. If necessary, make pay line adjustments using the retro pay process. Run the batch processor again to repopulate forms for employees with adjusted pay. Once all the retro adjustments have been made, the grant time and effort form can make its way through the certification workflow. The business manager acknowledges the report's accuracy and submits to the employee. The employee takes a turn reviewing the report. The employee may indicate any additional adjustments and recycle back to the business manager for further action, or they can certify each effort row, acknowledge its accuracy, and approve. The form flows to the employee's supervisor for certification and approval. Once the supervisor approves the report, the form is routed independently to the principal investigator for each grant associated to the report. This workflow was set up to auto-approve any principal investigators who had already approved the report earlier in the process, like when the employee's supervisor is also the principal investigator. Once the form is approved by all principal investigators, the report is complete. Grant time and effort forms can be tracked and queried using eForm query records. Find out the cycle time for grant reports for each reporting period and follow up on any outstanding reports. The grant time and effort report also features a BI Publisher print report. The print report version of this form consolidates form information, certifications, approvals, and any supporting documentation, which can easily be printed and sent to a document management system or provided to any other external party. The grant time and effort report is powered by several setup tables. The reporting period setup table allows the institution to define start and end dates for each reporting period, as well as list eligible earnings codes to be included in the report. This way, earnings codes included in a reporting period may be adjusted over time. The project exception setup table allows the institution to define certain project IDs associated with a combo code that should not be considered grants. When the processor runs, any combo codes with these project IDs are considered university accounts for reporting purposes. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about how Gideon Taylor eForms can help improve and automate grant reporting for your organization, please get in touch.